Okay, I got this bag, I got this bag, but there's lots in it. Do you guys want to see a haul? Doing a haul, everything that I bought at the mall today. I was going there for a phone case and left with the jungle of amount of stuff. What? I have so much stuff. First of all, if you're gonna comment about this discoloration on my chest, chesticles, I got a weird rash. It cleared up and then I was like, hey, don't do this. It cleared up and it was just still a little tiny bit dry skin. So the rash cleared up and I was like, oh, I can self-tan. What a dummy. Like, I'm in my 30s and this is how I live. So, like, honestly, you're doing good where you are in life. If this is how I live my life in my 30s. Like, just take it from me. You're doing okay, girl. So I was like, oh, I'll just self-tan. So I slapped self-tan all over my body last night. You can see the spots. Like, if I had no tan on, it would just be dry skin. But the tan sucked to those dry skin parts of my body. So anyway, don't look at it. I don't have cooties. Well, I might. Who wants a kiss? So I went for a phone case. I ended up getting a phone case. I got one at All About Sell. What? I've never hauled those words in my life. Shugsy wants to see what I got too. Okay, here you go. Take a look. Oh, he wants the bag after. He's like, hurry up. I need the bag. So I got a new phone yesterday and I got the iPhone 14 Pro in gold and I needed a case. He's just gonna walk on in there. Like, really? That's violation of YouTube. Like, you can't just show your whole butthole and ball sack. Like, you already look like one. Like, okay, just make yourself at home then. Cool. Just everyone wants to ruin my filming time. Just try to ignore him. I usually do. Just kidding. Also, if you want a tutorial on how I got my lashes like this, I just did a mascara review and I will leave that linked down below for you guys. So, yeah, I went to All About Sell and, well, first of all, I went to Claire's, which I will get into because I got some other things at Claire's. They didn't have any phone cases for the iPhone 14 Pro. And I was like, oh no, nuts, rats. Because they usually have like girly, fun, cutesy, fuzzy ones. And they didn't have any for my phone. So I was like, cool, I'm just going to buy some on Amazon. So I think I'm going to do a cell phone case haul when I get a bunch. And I'll show you guys them all. I'm excited. All About Sell only had like one kind. There was either plain or this kind of different colors. So I got this one. It was $35. It looks like this. It's actually quite pretty actually, but it is a tough case or something. I don't know. It's by My Bet. No, wait, what the hell is it by? Hold on. My Bat. Okay. The echolocation is serious in this business. So it's like an OtterBox. I didn't know that. I wouldn't have bought it if I knew that. I would have just bought the plain silicone one. I mean, obviously. But it came in 3 pieces and it was, honestly, you needed a degree to put it on. So I needed to go on YouTube. Thank goodness for YouTube. Like, what would I have done in the old ages? Well, never mind. If it would have been old ages, I wouldn't be having a cell phone. Just don't mind me. Continue on, girl. You're doing just great at where you are watching this. So there was like a little front thing. Then there was like a like interior help protector, like a shell. It's like a tortoise. And then there was the design. So this is like drop proof. So actually I'm excited for it. So you can kind of see my new phone, but I love my phone. It's beautiful. It's Sunday at 7 p.m. Happy Sunday. Sunday fun day, everyone. I'm still getting used to it, but I needed a cell phone case. So this is my very first one. And oh my God, it matches. My background matches the cell phone case. Yeah, it's pretty. It reflects the light really well. So I'm happy with it. $35 for a case though. I got some cheap ones on Amazon coming, but just for my first case, I just felt weird without a case. So I just needed to just buy one. Anyways, so let's do what I got at Claire's that was not a phone case. The first thing I got were some new nose rings. These were $25. I know things are going up in price, but did Claire's go up in price? These are gonna be so hard to show you, so I'm just gonna take them out. I mean, it did come with 3 of them. They might be a little hard to show. So these are them. I wanted the bigger stones. That's why I got these. A flower, a heart, and a flower. Oh, it's like a star, a fart, a flower, and a heart. A fart. And I've been putting in jewelry and wearing more jewelry lately, so I was like, why not put something in my nose? Because people always ask me, did you take out your nose ring? Or why did you take out your nose ring? And I didn't. Like, I usually like take it out and then, or like I'll take out, I have the second and my third holes pierced and I like never wear jewelry in them. It's so stupid. These are nice and sparkly, so hopefully it'll get me to wear them. I feel like these used to be like cheaper. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe they're like Oh, they're titanium. Does that mean, am I supposed to be putting titanium in my body? Me asking when I have lip filler and like my whole body's filled with silicone? Well, right here. And I like the bend to fit ones. That's just what I like. I don't like the ones where you have to like pop through your nose with the ball, or like the squiggle ones. I feel like I'm doing like a labyrinth maze. Not for me. Then I got 2 pairs of lashes because I'm sorry, but Claire's lashes were popping. They were $12 each, and they're both by Allure. These first ones are 6D lashes. Like, what? Look at these lashes, how beautiful they are. And they are faux mink 6D. So they're not 3D. They're not 4D. They're not 5D. They're 6D. These ones are Luxe XL faux mink. There is something weird right here, but these were the last ones left. So I was like, I can just pick that off or cut it off or something, because I really like these. They're so wispy. So they're different but similar. These ones are just a little bit more full. So excited to try these. Claire's and Arden are not like your typical place to look for lashes, but they always have good ones. So the last thing I got from Claire's was this little, it's really going crazy. Look at that. I must need some holy water on me. It's a cross. I just like it. And I wear a lot of, not right now, but layered gold necklaces. And I thought this one would be nice to be layered. And this was $7. That's not that bad. The other things in here are not from Claire's. They're from a tea place. Somebody asked me to do a tea collection, and honestly, all my teas are expired and old, and I haven't got new teas in such a long time. Shugsy keeps wanting to go in this bag. So I got 2 teas. So the place I went was called Tea Kettle. You can see it's Tea Kettle. And I wanted some Earl Grey, some new fresh Earl Grey, because I've been drinking a lot of tea while editing lately, and I've never tried this place. David's Tea used to be there, and then they closed down, and then this place popped up. I loved the packaging, and I love cream of Earl Grey. I hope that's good. If you guys know it, sorry, Shugsy's playing in the bag. I'll just give him a minute. This one was on sale because it's from their Christmas collection. It is frosted sugar cookie, yum, a tea. So it's soft baked sugar. Okay, Shugsy, nobody can hear. This is a movie I'm trying to make here. You know, it's a high production film. Soft baked sugar cookies topped with sweet icing and sprinkles. And look at the gorgeous design. And this was only $7. It has apple, rose hip, candy. It just says candy. Strawberry leaves, white tea, red plum, and cornflower petals. Cranberry and natural flavoring. Delicious. So I'm excited. New tea. This is a cool haul. There's lots of stuff in this haul, I tell ya. Okay, so then I went to London Drugs, and their phone cases were like they were like $54 to like $65. I was like, what? For the Kate Spade ones, I should say, because those were the only ones that I actually looked at. The other ones, I was like, they're too plain. I could see them from afar, and I was like, not even going over there. I was like, I'm just going on Amazon. So a cheap cell phone case is coming soon. But I wanted a new eyelash curler because I literally haven't replaced mine in so long. So I got this one. It's a Revlon gold one, special curve shape, and it literally is. It curled my lashes so beautifully today. Well, on this side only, I curled them. And if you watch the video, you will see why, that I linked below. Why? Everything titanium. Gold series, titanium coated for maximum durability. 125% more lifted lash look. Okay, thanks Revlon. This was like $14 or something, and it looks so, I should show you the actual thing and not the box that it came in. So it's pretty. I really like it. I can throw my other one. It has a good spring in it. It's got a spring in its step. Okay, so this is the only thing I didn't buy today, but I did buy it at the mall. It just wasn't today, and I don't remember if I showed it or not. I don't know if I showed them though. So if I showed them already, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna try them both right now. I got these at the Showcase store. These are the Prime drinks. I think they're Logan Paul's drinks. I don't know, they're trendy. So anyways, I got blue raspberry and lemon lime, and they're hydration drinks. So they're like Gatorade, I would say. I actually never seen anyone try these. I just seen these all over social media. I just think of Liver King every time I see them. I'm like, Primals, you need to know. Let's try lemon lime. I really like lemon lime flavor. Oh, it smells like Sprite. Oh my god, that's so sugary. Oh my god, that's more sugary than Sprite. It's like a flat Sprite with double the sugar. So, I don't know. Oh, I feel like I should mix this with something. Do you mix this with something? Do you take this before a workout? I'd be like, go run like a million miles. I'm gonna drink these. 25 calories only. 20? It tastes like so sugary. Anyways, the blue raspberry. Has anyone ever seen a blue raspberry before? I saw someone tweet that and I was like, na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Oh, it smells like, Jaeger. It smells like a Jaeger, kind of. Less alcohol-y, obviously. It tastes like it does taste like blue raspberry. These are so sugary. I don't even think I could drink these, and I love sugar, but like they're so anyways, I got those. They were also $10 each. They were $9.99 each. I feel like that's so expensive, but whatever. Okay, then I went to this random store. I don't know what it's called. Oh wait, I think it was called Gourmet Village or Village Gourmet. It was this. Anyways, I've tried their dips before because I've seen them at like other stores in the city, like Dutch Growers, and there's another place I've seen them. I think they must be local or something like that. They're made in Quebec. Okay, so they're Canadian, but I love their dips. They're so good. So this one I got is a baked crab dip mix. One of my best friends, Cole, makes the best crab dip ever, and Austin always craves it. He's like, we need Cole's crab dip. Like, he just loves it. I just saw this and I thought of him, and it was only $4.25. So it looks like this. You can open it up. It's like a little read along. You can make it hot or you can make it cold. I think a hot crab dip is like repulsive in my opinion. I don't know, I'd probably love it and be like swimming in it, but I would prefer the cold one, and it just gives you all the ingredients, what you need, some crab. You just dunk this in it, and then yeah, it's a good side, like with some veggies or some pita chips or something. I think that it's good. So anyways, I got that. Kind of random, I know. Oh, I also got this there. Oh, but I'm gonna do it in a taste test. If you saw it, you saw it. But yeah, okay, anyway, I went to Shoppers and I got these lashes. I don't know why. I don't know if I was drunk, but like, I don't know why I got these. They're kind of like too natural for me. I don't know. Anyways, they're coil in handcrafted and vegan. That's pretty cool. They don't even say what kind they're. $18. Anyways, okay, so the rest of the stuff I got was from not there and not here. Oh, it's the same. It was from, oh, not the rest of the stuff. There's two places. The bag is from Stitches. So Stitches, if you guys are a longtime supporter of me, I used to go to Stitches. It used to be my favorite place ever. And then it closed down in my city in every mall. And I was like, nah. And they all like slowly started like opening as Urban Planet, but they kind of sold the same clothes. So Stitches all of a sudden opened in Lawson Mall, and I was like, oh my god, Stitches is back. I'm in my 30s and Stitches is back. It's like the best clothes ever, because like I am like a kid at heart. I'm a teenager. I'm a hoochie mama. I'm everything. I just like cute stuff, and I like to show my titties. So that's Stitches and Urban Planet. Everyone always asks me where I get everything. It's usually Urban Planet. So Stitches came back, but they gave me this bag. So now I'm like, is Stitches Urban Planet the whole time? They're just a different brand? Did something happen in the company? Shh, you can tell us. Okay, so from there, I also went to Arden. So I'm gonna separate the Arden stuff. You guys are gonna die. Okay, so the very first thing I got were these huge earrings. Oh no! They are so big that I thought it was a bracelet. It's literally too big for a bracelet for me. And I'm going to rock them as earrings. I have been loving jewelry again lately, and these are just massive. They are so extra and over the top, and they were $9.99. There was no sale on them, but everything else in the store had a sale, so I was like, cool. You buy three, if you buy three of these items, and then they were all $7.50 each. So all of these are $7.50, so I'm gonna show you guys them, try it on. So they're just basic shirts, like this, little crop shirts. They're really good for if I'm just having like a whatever day, or if I'm trying to vlog and look cute, or go somewhere and don't want to, I don't know, dress up or something. When do I ever dress up? So this is very similar to that. So that one was a small, and I got a medium in this one because it's like, looks really stretchy, and this one I feel like is gonna make my boobs look huge. $7.50 for that. And then this bodysuit, it looks so skinny, but it's a medium large. But so anyways, looks like this. I hope it's not see-through. If it is, then I'll just like cover my nips or whatever. But I think these will look cute. I've been loving my ripped jeans lately. I've been wearing them with every outfit, and you guys tell me how cute they look, so I'm probably gonna wear those with every outfit you see. I can't get enough of them. Then I saw this when I very first walked in, and I needed it for just a lounging around shirt. It's absolutely gorgeous. Like, hi Brittany. I don't know how well this is gonna wash. It looks a little blurry, and it feels like it's already peeling, but how much were you? It was 20 bucks. I think there was a, oh, they were on sale for 12. So yeah, so that's really good for that. And then this one was on a clearance rack for 50% off. So it was $19.99, so it was 10 bucks. And it's so adorable. Look at this. So I got a small. I wanted like a large, but they only had extra small and smalls. I wanted this more like shruggy, but I think this would look good with the white bodysuit. This would look good with anything. So this is so adorable. It's nice and cozy for the rest of this cold weather. Actually, it's way too cold right now to wear this, but when the weather starts warming up a bit, this would be perfect to transition. Okay, and the rest of the stuff I got is not from here, but it's, I just kept putting everything in the same bag because I'm trying not to I didn't know I was gonna be buying this much, or I would have brought my reusable one. It's from Arden. Okay, so the first items were buy one, get one $1. So I saw these sunglasses and I was like, need. I'm always losing my sunglasses all the time, and I have so many pairs that are like cute and like silver and colored and stuff like that, but I always am reaching for my black big sunglasses, and these are so cute. So these were, how much were you, girly? These were $9.90 only, and then I got an item for $1. So the item I chose was this necklace right here, $1, you guys. And like I said, I love layering these gold ones, and this one here is a gold paper clip with some diamonds on it. Obviously not real, but I think it's gonna fit really nicely when I don't have peeling off skin and splotchy spray tan. $1. Come on! And then I got 3 clothing items. The first one is the first thing I grabbed. It is so cute. It reminds me of like J-Lo in like the early 2000s. I got it in a medium. It's not, I was gonna say it's not Arden brand, but it is. ACW is Arden Contemporary Wear. Oh, okay, it sounds classy. It sounds too classy for me, but I feel like, because the ruching, I feel like my boobs are gonna look giant in this. That's why I got it. And it would look good with the ripped jeans. So it's like so slinky. It reminds me of like the early 2000s. And I'm like, hey, I'm still Sammy from the block. And then I got this same shirt in twice. I love Arden's tops like this. That's literally all I wear to the bar. A, because they're so cheap, and I always either rip them, spill shit on them. My friends, for some reason, I always have like pulled shirts. I don't know if they're like pulling me or if they're like drunk and falling and grabbing me. I don't know. It's probably me, and I'm just blaming it on them. These were only $7.80 each. This is like a cheap savings haul, I feel. So I got just this basic one. I mean, they're not just for the bar. I can wear them like under things, and they're good for all occasions. But this blue one, it's like a purpley blue, I feel. It's a very cool color. Very soft and slinky. I got them both in a medium if you care. And then this like pretty green one. It's not quite olive, but it's not quite neon. She's in the middle. Okay, so that was everything I got in this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want more hauls, let me know. I know you guys are always requesting hauls and you love to see them. So I hope you guys have a great day and buy something today. Waste your money. I love you guys. Bye.